Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Cat by Nagendra. So in this tutorial we are going to see how to add or remove material with text on the surface. Before we have seen how to create like blocks and pads and pockets we have seen. Now we are going to see how to add or remove material with the text from the surface or from block. Now for example, just I'll go for new part design. Let's say okay. Let's take a simple example. I'll create one center point rectangle like this. Exit workbench. I'll make this pad some 20. Okay. Now, upon this front surface, I need to add or remove material with some text. So here before we have seen only with the circles or some symbols, but we need with text. How to make that? For that, after creating the surface, we need to go here with drafting an empty sheet. Okay. Now in drafting sheet, by using text option which is available under this annotation, text, normal text, we don't want any leader here, text here. What is the text we need to add on that surface? Let's say take for example, I'll take here Cat by Nagendra like this. If you want to change font or something, we can change directly from here. I am keeping the same font and we are able to adjust the size here. So I'll make it here some 20. Let's say okay. Now directly if I go for save, it will be saved in cat drawing format. But whenever you want this text to place on any surface, there you need to go here with this different formats. Either we can go with DWG format. Go with drawing format. I will save it on desktop. Here I am making here name as text. We need to save it as DWG format. Don't forget that. Let's save it. Now just we can close it. I don't want to save to drawing. No. Now we need to go for sketch on which surface we need to add the text. I need to add text on this front surface. So on this front surface we'll go for sketch. After going into sketch, here we need text, right? Already we have saved in DWG format. So after entering into text, we need to open that existing document by using file, open. So we have saved on desktop. Let's go here with this desktop. Now this is the DWG format text. Open that. Again it will reflect back to drafting. Before we have entered into drafting, we have entered the text manually, but there we have got only like a single letter. But here you can see it is creating like a closed profile. Just I will select like this. We need to copy this. So Ctrl+C I am using. Copy that. By using window, we will come back to part on which part we need to insert the text. For example, on this space, Ctrl+V I am using to paste it. Now, if I make fit, in sketch we have got the text. Just if you drag one, only a single it will come. Don't drag like that. Select everything, drag and keep it wherever you want like this. For example, I need to reduce the size of this. How to change? So again, don't want to go for drafting. Just select the text here. Already we know option called here scaling. We can increase or decrease the size of the profile by using scale ratio. Scale. Here duplicate mode means along with this one more whatever the size we wanted it will be created. I don't want this duplicate. So with reference to this point, how much size we want, we can give value also, or else we can adjust manually also. For example, this much I want, like this. Exit workbench. With this text, if you want to add material, we will go here with this pad. If you want to remove material, we can go with pocket. For example, I'll make pad of some 1 mm. Let's say okay. Like this, properly it will be created. So if you want to change some color only with respect to this text, open part body. I need to change only for pad to properties. We can change color only for that particular text like this. And edges color also we can change properties. This is fill color. These are the edges color. So I think for text it won't come. So like this we can make it. So this is when we are having here flat profiles. Let's take we are having one cylindrical profile. So that is again different option. Why? Because directly we can't create like similar to this on cylindrical profile. So let me show that also. I'll enter into part design. I'll create one cylinder, just one rectangle. I'll create like this. Exit workbench. I'll make shaft with reference to the central axis like this. Now, directly on cylindrical profile, we can't create sketch. We need to go on any planar profiles. So I'll go for plane sketch. Same as it is. Already we have opened file open and we need to open the drawing file. Already we have opened. So just I'll copy this text. By using window, I'll come back to here and I will paste it. So I need to increase the size here by using scale with reference to any point. I need more like this. Like this. In build like entire thing with cylinder with reference to that we won't get properly. So that is a disadvantage here. So just I'll make this much up to that cylinder distance. Exit workbench. So from here I'll make this pad. So we will make it here little extra. Like this extra. Then again whatever we don't want, just we need to remove that. So just we can go for sketch. Then this entire extra part I don't want. Let me draw one circle here. Only up to this much I want. So to make it a closed profile, I'll create this shape. So this is little lengthy process. Directly for flat faces we'll get directly, but for cylinder it will be little complex. So we'll make pocket. So upon to that cylinder only this text will be created like this. So this is how we can add or remove material with the text from the surface. So I hope you have understood a little about this. So if you feel this video is informative, please share to your friends to whom it will be useful. Thank you so much.